Dear students, in this video, NCERT Mathematics Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions MCQs will be presented. We have to find out the correct options for given 4 options of each and every questions. So be ready for the pen and paper and write down the correct options for asking here each and every questions. And after in the last you have to verify this your questions with given a right answers. Okay, let's start with the question number 1. Here is your first question. 20th term from the last term of the arithmetic progressions 3, 8, 13 dash 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 253 is. You have to find out the last term of arithmetic progressions. 20th term, okay, is 147, 151, 154 and 158. So you have to find out the 20th term of given arithmetic progressions. So either they are answer A, B, C or D. Write down the correct answers. Now move on the question number 2. The sum of the first 5 multiples of 3 is. So you have to find out the 5 multiples of 3 and sum. The options are 45, 55, 65 or 75. So answer is either A, B, C or D. So write down the correct answers in front of the question number 2. You just have to write down A, B or C or D. Okay, so it was very easy to find out the correct one is afterwards. Okay, so now move on the question number 3. If A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10, then first 4 term will be. So this 2 value is given, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. So you find out the 4 terms. So answer is 10, 30, 50, 60 or 10, 20, 30, 40 or 10, 15, 20, 25 and 10, 18, 20, 30. Okay, so it is very easy. You just find out the correct option A, B, C or D and write down the in front of the question number 3. Now move on to question number 4. Here is the question number 4. In an arithmetic progression, if A is equal to 28, D is equal to minus 4, N is equal to 7, then AN is. So you have to find out the AN is 4, either 5, 3 or 7. So you find out the correct one and write down in front of the question number 4 in your papers. Now next question number 5. 11th term of arithmetic progressions minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 dash 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 is. You have to find out the 11th term. Either is 28, 22, 30 minus 38 or minus 48. So you just have to calculate and find out the arithmetic progressions and 11th term, either A, B, C or D. Okay, so it's quite simple. And now move on the next question number 6. The missing term in arithmetic progressions dash 13 dash 3 are 11 and 9, either 17 and 9, 18 and 8 or 18 and 9. So you have to find out the missing terms either A, B, C or D and write down the correct one. Okay, move on the next question, question number 7. Here is your question number 7. In an arithmetic progression, if A is equal to 28, D is equal to minus 4, N is equal to 7, then AN is. So it was repeated and very simple. You have to find out the correct one. A is either 4 or 5 or 3 or 7. So repeated questions, you have to just find out the correct one very quickly and write down the correct one. Okay, so now move on the question number 8. The first term and common difference for the arithmetic progressions 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 is. So you have to find out the first term and common difference for given arithmetic progression 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 is 1 and 3, minus 1 and 3, 3 and minus 2 or 2 and 3. You have to calculate and find out the correct one, either A, B, C or D, and write down in the paper. Okay. Now move on to the next questions. Question number 9. Here is one 30th term of the arithmetic progressions 10, 7, 4 dash 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 is. You have to find the 30th term. It's 97, 77, minus 77 or minus 87. So you have to find out the correct one, either A, B, C or D. Okay. Now move on to the last questions. Question number 10. Which term of the arithmetic progressions 3, 8, 13, 18 dash 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 is 78? So you have to find out the which term the 78 is. Your option is 12th term, 13th term, 15th term or 16th term. So you have to find out the correct one, either A, B, C or D. Now you prepare all the 10 questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in terms of ABCD. You have to check with the correct one. Here is your answer. So you have to check with the correct answers. Okay. Thank you very much.